Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI platforms, which is ManyReach and Warmy. So let's get started with a quick overview and breakdown. ManyReach is a modern cold email outreach tool with built-in automation, AI personalization, and a smart inbox rotation. It focuses on deliverability, friendly sequence, and intuitive UI, making it ideal for solopreneurs, startups, and lean sales teams. Talking about Warmy, on the other hand, is a dedicated email warm-up and deliverability platform. It's designed to boost your domain reputation before launching campaign, with a feature like auto reply, warm-up, and inbox placement test, and a spam checker report. So talking about what these two platforms are best for, starting with the ManyReach. ManyReach is best for cold outreach campaign with a built-in email sending, and talking about Warmy, on the other hand, is best for startup agencies and SDR teams needing email warm-up and domain health. And talking about the pricing of these two platforms, so the pricing for ManyReach start at $49 per month, and there's also a free trial. So talking about Warmy, on the other side, it has a starting price of $49 per month, and the free trial is with limited features. And here's the viral conclusion about these two platforms. So you can simply choose Warmy if you need to improve inbox placement, warm up new domains, or a restore or a damaged sender reputation. So it's the go-to tools for minimizing emails deliverability before you first campaign. And on the other side, I can pick ManyReach if you already have a warm-up domain and you want all-in-one code outreach tools with automations and smart deliverability features built in. So that's it.